Hi friends, welcome once again to my channel, My Perfume, My Passion. Friends, today we'll talk about the easiest way of making perfumes. Many of my friends have asked me about the formulation of popular fragrances. Friends, let me tell you, the making of clone of any fragrance is not that easy. It is quite clear that those who are asking for the formulations are amateurs. They don't have the basic knowledge and they don't have any good source of raw materials and supplies. And what if they get the formulas? How they are going to arrange the 30, 40, or 50 ingredients which are used in the formulation or making of fragrance? Cloning of any fragrance is much tougher than creating the new fragrance. The clone fragrance is created with expertise and the experience of many years. So please get rid of this misconception of getting the formulas and making by your own self. Or you can clone any fragrance if you will get the formulas. You can't you can't create the clone of any fragrance if you get the formulas. Even if you are in the perfume business. Because there are many factors involved in creating the fragrance. And those who are capable of making the clone fragrance, they don't need the formulas from outside. They have their own machines, their own setup, a good source of suppliers of raw materials. Easiest way of making the perfume is to create your own blend with known chemicals, known perfume oils. Or if you don't have any knowledge of chemicals or oils, it is better to create with available perfumes, which oils are available in the market. This way you can create your own perfumes by mixing different fragrances. For example, take fragrance like Invictus, Sugar Baby, and TD Hermes. Okay. Now, what we'll do that I'll make a blend over here just for the example. Invictus is fresh woody. Sugar Baby is sweet, musky, and fruity. TD Hermes again citrusy with earthy base note. But the citrusy note of TD Hermes and Invictus are different. So just for example, if you want to make your own blend, you can mix all these three fragrances together with different portions and see what result is coming. I'll show you the example. Let's take, I'll start from Invictus. I'll take 3 ml. So, I'll take 3 ml. Invictus. Then 2 ml of Sugar Baby. Now 1 ml of TD Hermes. One ml of TD Hermes. Here what we'll do, we just do the opposite. Here we'll take this 3 ml. Fine, so we'll take 3 ml. 3 ml. Then Sugar Baby 2 ml. Then this Invictus 1 ml. Yeah. So this is another blend. It's same perfumes with different quantity. So This way you can make, this is an example, we can use any of the perfumes which are available to you. So in this way, you can make a blend of your own. So friends, I hope that I have tried my level best to explain you how to create your own perfumes. These three oils are just an example. There are thousands of perfumes oils available uh, near to you. Just search it, get it. If you're not getting this, do write me. I'll try to arrange for you. Do write me your experiences or any queries in comments or in my mailbox. And do write me your name of the city. Till then, enjoy making new perfumes. And don't forget to share your experiences with me. Bye.